guys, so when you have a data collection table and you want to transform it into a chart, so in this case what we did was a scatter plot and a trend line, what you have to do is you can just highlight your data collection table and then copy it. So Command C in the Mac, and make sure that you have your units in your titles and not next to each individual number, because that could affect the way that your chart looks. So with that being said, open a new Google Sheets, and this is like the Excel of Google, if you didn't know that, and copy paste whatever you had on the other page for your data table, paste it here. So Command V, it's taking a little long, okay, there. So you don't actually have to make it bigger, but this is just to show you how it looks. Okay, so you're gonna highlight everything here again. So what I'm doing is holding the shift button and going down with the arrows, and then you're gonna make a chart. So here where it says insert chart, or you can also go up here and put insert chart, so whichever one is fine. When you get your chart, it might look a little bit like this. So what you have to do is actually customize it, because it's not gonna come out as a scatter plot right away. So what you go here is that you customize and you go to series. So in series you can actually modify your line thickness. So here it would be 0, because we're not trying to show that it's continuous, we're trying to show the trend line and the points. So make sure to put the points then. They have different sizes. I'm gonna put 7, but you can actually put whatever you want. And we have them as circles because that looks more formal. So here you can put data labels to show each specific point. And you can also put the trend line. So that actually shows how your data looks. So your best fit line. So then after you have these two things done, your graph is basically done. You can change things. For example, we don't like this long title, so we might just put comparison between male and female foot lengths. And then if you want to change the colors because you don't like them or for whichever reason, you can just click on the point, like one of the points, whichever, and then change the color here. So let's say that we want pink for the females, and then pick another color, and then blue for the males.
So in order to change the legend and the names that are there, you can go to where you inserted your data, and you just double click and change the titles to whatever you want your legend to say. Remember to keep it simple, and you don't have to include the uncertainty there. You can include it in the axis titles, and yeah.
So yeah, when you actually have your graph ready, and you can make it big, small, whatever, just go Command Shift 4 and take a picture of your graph. When you already have the picture ready, you can just go to your page and then insert the picture into your lab. and that's it.
Okay, so if you want to change your chart and axis titles, you go to where it says chart and axis titles, and there will be a drop down next to where it says type, where you can choose if you want to change your chart title, your chart subtitle, your horizontal axis or vertical axis title. So let's say you want to change your vertical axis title. You click there, and then it says title text, and there you write what you want. In our case, let's say we write foot length, and in parentheses we put the centimeters plus or minus 0.05, which is the error. Then you can change the title font and the title font size. You can change the color, you can put it bold, you can put it in italics, whatever you want to do to it, but that's where you change it.